Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 10th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I still think we're in a flat. I think it could be a running flat, but I'm definitely leaning towards expanding flat, which would potentially put us all the way down here. I think this is like a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. Doesn't mean that there might not be some pullbacks on sort of time frames, but I think on these higher time frames, it's either going to do this, ending a running flat, or it's going to do this ending in expanding flat. So definitely either scenario, I am going to stay bearish for the most part. Now going down to the 1 hour time frame, we have an impulsive five-wave move. We have a breaker structure to the upside. So we know that this five-wave move right here is over. Because of the higher time frame analysis, we think that this is just a subdivision and that more than likely this move up will just be a pullback to the last five waves down. So if you see any sort of a recognizable corrective three-wave pattern or anything like that to any one of these Fibonacci levels with a nice engulfing move to the downside, then I definitely would take it as a short. Right now it is definitely drifting up, and it could drift up to any one of these Fibonacci levels and make any one of the, many Elliott wave corrective patterns before it goes down. Could possibly even, maybe end up doing this for the most of the day before it actually ends up continuing the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.